A new warning from the medical community about America's newest generation of adults avoiding advice from their doctors. Instead, Gen Z is turning to the internet. It focuses on how they choose to get advice on fitness, diet, mental wellness. NewsNation's Alicia Nieves is here. Alicia, this is so interesting to me. People not going to the doctor, they're going to TikTok, they're going to Instagram. What's the motivation behind this?
Well, I mean, this is a generation, right? They grew up with technology at their fingertips. It's probably not a surprise that Gen Z, people we're talking the age 12, 27, are turning to the internet for their health and wellness advice. Wealth is probably but instead they're turning to, apps like TikTok instead of something like more reputable WebMD. A recent poll found that 56% of Gen Z respondents rely on TikTok for their wellness, diet, and fitness advice. The more concerning part, though, is that 34%, that's more than 1 in 3 respondents, say the app is their main source of health advice. Only 11% say they actually consult a doctor. The biggest reason that Gen Z uses the internet, particularly TikTok, is because it does not cost them anything to listen to the advice of other people online. It also is faster than making an appointment with a medical professional. Obesity medical specialist and Dr. Christopher McGowan actually says that people should check the credentials, make sure they are actually listening to someone who's qualified to talk about health and wellness. He also warns that people listening solely to strangers online run the risk of health misinformation and could lead a person in the wrong direction.
I would just assume that everything on TikTok is false or misleading. Just start right there, because unfortunately there is so much misinformation, and that could affect your health. I mean, it really depends on what you're looking at, what the topic is. But if you're really trying to find information about medical treatment, about disease processes, there could be potential harm. And we've seen patients, note this, that there's been, risk to their own health.
Yeah, Dr. McGowan also advising that you should question anything that seems outlandish or unlikely. It probably is, and recommends that people use more reliable and trusted sources like the Mayo Clinic. Lastly, no surprise here, he says seeking advice from certified medical professionals is the gold standard for a reason, Hena.
Call your doctor. Alicia, we've heard so much about TikTok being banned in the U.S. What are lawmakers saying about this?
So we know this has been an issue for lawmakers for quite some time, right? We've been told, obviously, that for lawmakers, they've been wanting to see a potential ban here. President Biden has pushed for that ban. In terms of a timeline for a ban, we know that oral arguments are going to be heard come this upcoming September. And then just before the election, we could have a decision probably on a ban on TikTok. Hena.
Alicia Nieves live in the studio for us. Alicia, thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.